How to get 20% off Southwest Airlines working coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Southwest Airlines coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Southwest Airlines. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 40% off, 50% off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at Southwest. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your flight, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm it. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're going to find amazing offers for Southwest Airlines. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, groupon.com, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Southwest Airlines. Once you're in the website, just scroll down and check out the offers and grab it. Well, this is how you can easily get up to 20% off working coupon code for Southwest Airlines. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.